Hey everybody, this is a quick video if you have a ComfortBilt pellet stove and the flame is burning kind of black or dirty and weak and not putting out much heat, and you're wondering what's going on and what can you do to improve this. So what you can do to improve this is that you need to realize that this is usually going to be caused by the improper fuel to air ratio. And so you might also be seeing like pellets backing up in the pot because they're not burning well enough. So this could be being caused by a couple reasons. Number one is you might be using low quality pellets with a high amount of sawdust and stuff in it. And the other thing would be the lack of airflow. So if the stove was operating correctly and this issue developed over time, it's probably because of the airflow. And you're going to need to clean out the ashes and everything in all the airflow chambers and make sure that you have good unrestricted airflow into the burn pot. If it happened after you changed pellets, you might have gotten a bad batch of pellets, a low quality batch of pellets, and you want to go back to the old ones you had. And then you also want to just make sure that the fire chamber needs to be properly sealed, because if it sucks in, when it goes to suck in air, if air comes in anywhere other than through the air intake, then that air is not being pulled through the burn pot, and it's going to cause a less effective burn. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.